Hey, what is up, YouTube? And today we are playing TNT WARS. Yeah, and we are playing with Semi-Soldier, which is over here. Hey, Semi-Soldier. This is Semi-Soldier. And we are going to be playing in a 1v1 TNT WARS. So, yeah. So we have flight on, and yeah, so we're gonna start building. So Semi-Soldier in when I count down from three, when I count down from 3 to 0, we are gonna battle. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start building. Okay, I only need that. Okay, so I'm gonna look in here, I'm gonna get some concrete of mine. Wait, put that in there. Then I need to get some water. This. He can fire at me at any second, which is pretty. He can do. Oh my god. I need to get my concrete out. Oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez. Put that there. Put that there. Put that there. Put that there. Okay, so then I think I need to build up. Dang it. This concrete's so annoying. Whatever. 1, 2, 3. Oh jeez. Oh, whatever. I guess it was something like this that he built. I'm not sure of it. I think it was like this, and then it went like whatever. I'm just gonna I wish we had pickaxes. Break that. That takes a long time to break. Okay. I wish we had dispensers. Oh. Okay, guys, and the next one we're gonna put dispensers. Yeah. Fill up those buckets. Sit there. Okay. So then all I need to do. He could start shooting at me at any second, which is bad. I think you do that, and then you do bam, bam. Okay, this is gonna. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you go like this. I'm not sure if. Hopefully, this doesn't blow up on me. And then you go like I think this or something. Yeah. I wish I still had that thing in front of me. Okay. And then I go like, wait a minute. What? I think I messed up. Okay, let's just try it. Okay. There. And then I need to get a button. Or I could just shoot it with my bow. Okay. Let's see if hopefully this works. And nope, it's not gonna work. And I knew it. Okay, yeah. Wait, I need to look at his island. Okay, I'm not cheating, but okay, I think I did something. Oh, That's what I did wrong. I did it wrong. I did it really wrong. Whatever. Whatevs. Okay, one, two. Let me just place down one, and then, bam, go right there, there. I know the repeaters are supposed to be pointing to that block. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of that water. The repeaters are supposed to be pointing to the block. Okay, I see now. It's supposed to be pointing to the block. Okay. Then I put TNT there, and then fill it up with TNT, I guess. Then I go like this. I think. Okay, I need to look at his thing again. Uh-oh. It goes right there. Wait, how do you fill it up? Oh, you go all right. You go. Okay, I'm doing good. Oh my God, I'm doing bad. FNAF's on me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm losing it. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Ah. Wait. No. I'm not supposed to do that. Not supposed to do that. Break it. Don't fire at me, please. I'm supposed to shoot it. There we go. Will it work? Will it work? No. It won't. Wait, will it work? Okay. Uh-oh. I think it's supposed to go. Wait. No. It's supposed to start from here and go. Okay, I need to start from here. Then I needed to go over there. Yes. Ah, dang it, it didn't shoot. Wait, did it shoot? Am I doing something wrong? Wait. Oh, you're not supposed to do it that way. Uh-oh, you're supposed to put it at the beginning. Oh, jeez. Oh, no. I'm gonna lose. I am so gonna lose. Oh, I remember now. I remember. Yes. Shoot it. Okay, hopefully this works. Oh, he's trying to... Really? Wow. I guess I need a button. Oh, jeez. Yep, I need a button. Sweet home, I'm gonna die. Ding. Where are my slabs? Oh my gosh, I need to get slabs again. Where are the slabs? There's the slabs. Can't believe I already used this a whole stack of slabs. To get a long barrel. There you go. And then I need to point it right here. And point 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I need to go all the way over here. I think I'm doing it right. I'm not sure. Oh no. This cannot be happening. He's shooting to me and I'm losing really bad. Okay, good. Now I just need to get a button. Okay, get a button, get a button, get a button. Hurry up. Hurry up, me. If he doesn't stop shooting at me, I'm gonna be pretty mad. Yes! Yes! It worked! Yes! Boom! That's how we do it. Wait. Oh no. And then I refill it. Uh-oh. 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 It went wrong. No. 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 Wait, what? Okay, I just need to break this. This one's still good. This one's still good, guys. Oh no. Oh no. 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 Wait, no. It's supposed to go on this side. Wrong side. Wrong side. Wrong side. Wrong side. Break that. Put that there. Put it there. Put that there. And then bring that over there. Wait, no. Not supposed to do that. I am losing so donk bad. I'm losing this guy so donkey bad. I mean, this guy's really good at TNT cannons. But my friend's really good at making TNT cannons in redstone. But I'm terrible. You guys could probably tell that I'm really bad at it. Okay. There we go. There we go. Wait, Semi-Soldier, are you okay? Are you okay? Uh-oh, I need to teleport him. Semi-Soldier. Uh-oh. Okay, I need to set my spawn point over here. There's spawn point. Okay, there we go. Okay, then I just need to refill this barrel. Okay, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm back on track. Okay, shoot it. Okay, fine. Yes, yes. Okay, there we go. Then I need to refill the barrel. There we go. I'm doing pretty good. I think we need to end this video soon, guys. But don't worry, guys. I'm gonna make a part 2. Okay? Did that do anything? Okay, guys. I will make a part 2 to this. If we hit more than 10, okay, guys. If we hit more than 10 likes, I will make a part 2 on this. Okay? 10. I'm giving you a chance for 10. Okay, 10. Just 10. No else than 10. Okay, because I am doing my best, so don't judge me. Okay? Why? Okay, wait, maybe I need to make an up barrel to help so it doesn't go up or anything. So then I just need to reload it. Okay. That. Then shoot. Boom. If I die, like if he kills me, then he wins. What happened? What just happened? Okay. Okay, we're gonna do the damage that he did and the damage that I did, and if I did less damage, yeah. Well, okay, guys. Yeah. And yeah, guys, I think we should end this video. It was probably terrible. Okay, Semi-Soldier, come on, get in position. Okay, come on, Semi-Soldier, position. Semi, come on, get in position. Let's go on this TNT cannon. Okay, so anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video for today, of TNT Wars. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you like this video, okay? Anyways, guys, bye. And have a wonderful weekend and a wonderful summer, okay, guys? Anyways, guys, bye.